All right, La Mirada, California. Taking a look at the kitchen exhaust here. This is quite a scene here. So it looks like the restaurant may have had a company come out and do some cleaning on it. There's a whole bunch of water on the roof, mixed with grease. This fan here, it doesn't have a discharge like that fan over there. See how it has a discharge? So it's blowing grease into this old AC compressor right there. But it's just grease all over the roof. It's hard to even walk without getting it on you. Looks like the cooler is leaking. That's providing some excess water. The system itself was cleaned. So you can see the area is cleaned, and then the area is mist. So it's pretty common. Over here, this one here, this should have a duct cap, kind of like this. Instead, it looks like it's a part of an air conditioner. But they got that clean. So this place needs a lot of work. Number one, got to sort, why is that leaking so bad? So got to deal with the cooler. Got to deal with this fan here. Get a discharge on it with a drip cup, so it catches at least some of the grease. As far as the roof, it's already damaged. Not much that can be done with it, but can at least clean it up to some degree, and then also prevent grease from just leaking all over. And then here, this equipment is not being used, but the oil is just sort of like everywhere. And then finally, this fan here, this should have hinges and cables. This fan should tip over, does not tip over. So a lot of work to be done here, but Bryant Exhaust Service, we will take care of it.